Today was me and my brother's second day in Florence, Italy, and we decided to do a little bit of shopping. I bought like 6 pairs of shoes. My brother found a leather jacket that fit with his beautifully fashionable shorts. We had to buy some luggage so that we could fit all the stuff that we bought in it because we didn't have any more space. And then we went sightseeing around the city. We also shot footage that I'll be using for an ad later. We ate lunch on our rooftop overlooking the city. I stuffed my face with cheese, fresh bread, and prosciutto, and then decided to try local flavors of Lay's that I've never seen anywhere before. Check this out. Paprika dulce. And then we decided to check out the McDonald's menu, which has chocolate croissants and all kinds of amazing sweets that I've never seen at McDonald's. And I even tried their pistachio blizzard ice cream. It was amazing. We searched the internet and finally found one gym that's open 24 hours of the day. Thank you, Anytime Fitness. And then we ran about half a mile home, but not before stopping at this beautiful cathedral one last time. I went through my Facebook group with all my students that are taking my coaching program right now, where I'm showing them how to make funny ads for their business. I gave them feedback and reviewed all of their videos. I'm just excited that we live in a time where we can deliver value to people, help other people with their business, and we can still earn way more than we ever would have working for someone else while exploring the world.